Hi dear children, welcome back to Gurudev Online 6th Standard Mathematics class. I am Niranjan HM, 13th period, playing with numbers. In this session, we will continue the same exercise 3.7 from question number 3rd. Dear children, all of you open on page 67 if you have a textbooks. Page number 67, third question. The length, breadth and height of a room are 825 cm, 675 cm and 450 cm respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly. Observe very carefully in a given sentence, in a given lines. There is a specific word, longest. Longest is nothing but very highest, biggest. Highest, longest, biggest, it indicates we need to find out HCF, highest common factor. Please observe specific words while you are reading a question. These type of specific words, it helps a lot whether we need to find out LCM or HCF. Be careful these type of words. Okay, yes, let us come to the problem. In the given problem, we need to find out longest tape, which is exact measurement of longest tape. Longest tape by the help of these numbers 825 cm, 675 cm, 450 cm. We need to find out exact measurement of longest tape. Before going to find the exact number, we will find the HCF. Dear children, observe here 8 and first number is HCF. The first number is 825. Take 825. And second number is, draw a line. Second number is 675. I'll take individually. And third one is 450. Okay. You start HCF. It starts from 2. By 2 it is not possible. Let us take 3. 3 how much? 8. It is not possible. That's why you may take nearest number. 3 2 just 6. 3 2 just 6. Here is 2. 3 7 just 21. 21. Here is 1. It becomes 15. 3 how much? 15. 3 5 just 15. Okay. Draw a line. It is belongs to notes. Okay. All of this all in your notebook. Next, you may take 3. It is not possible. That's why you may take 5. Here is 5. That's why I'll take 5. 5 how much? To 27. 5 5 ja. Yes, 5 5 ja 25. It become 25 to 55 25. It next once again 5 5 ja 25. So 5 into 55 is 275. Next level. Next here is 11. You may take 11. 11 how much? 11 5 ja 55. Draw a line. Okay. Next last step is 5 1 ja 5. It is clear. Yes. Let us come to next one. 675. It starts from 2, but by the help of 2 it is not possible. So you may concentrate next number, that is 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6. He become 1. So 15. So 3 5 ja 15. Next, draw a line. 3 7 ja 21. It become 1. So it become 15. Remaining is 1. It become 15. So 3 how much? 3 5 ja 15. Draw a line. Next, 75 divided by how much? 75 divided by, yes, I'll take 5. 5 how much? 5 1 ja 5. 5 5 ja 25. Okay. Next, draw a line. I'll take 5 once again. 5 3 ja 15. Draw a line. Next, 3 1 ja 3. It has cleared. Next, 450. 450 by 2. Yes, it is possible because here is even number. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. It become the remaining is 1. It become 10. 2 5 ja 10. Next, draw a line. I'll take 5. By 3 it is not possible. By 2 it is not possible. So 5. 5 how much ja 225? 5 45 ja. 5 45 ja 200. 225. Next, 5 9 ja 45. Next, 3 3 ja 9. Next, 3 1 ja 3. So 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Yes, it has clear. Yes. Collect the common factors. I'll solve here. You may write in your notebook below the problem. Okay? Below this one. Common factors. Common factors. Yes. First one is 825. 825. Next one is 675. Next to 450. 450. Yes. What is the next step? 3 into 5 into 11 into 5. I'll take a group of 5 one side. Observe here. 5 into 5 into 3 into 11. Okay. Next. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 3. I'll take first 5 5. 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Next. Here 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 2. 3 into 3 into 2. Yes. Find the common factor. See, common factor. Observe here. These are all the common factor. Is equals to 5 into. Next to common factor is, yes, 5 5 5. It is also common factor. Next, yes, here 3 3 3. It is also common factor. Any other common factors? Here is 11, no 11. So no common factor except these. 5 into 5 25. 25 into 3 75. So HCF. What is the HCF of 825, 675 and 450 is 75. So what does it indicate? It indicates longest tape, measurement of longest tape. Finally, complete this statement. Length of longest tape is, therefore, length of longest tape. Longest tape is, length of longest tape is 75 centimeter. Okay, dear children, this is the complete solution of question number 3. Let us move question number 4. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Exactly divisible by 6, 8, 12. Which method shall we use now? We will use LCM. Observe here, Chotu. Let us find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. LCM of 6, 8, 12. I'll take in group 6, 8 and also 12. See, observe here. You start from 2 because all are even number. 2 how much is 6? 2 3 ja 6. Next 2 4 ja 8. 2 6 ja 12. Draw a line. 2 how much is 3? It is not possible. Just you may take 3 as it is. 2 2 ja 4. 2 3 ja 6. Here next 2 how much is 3? It is not possible. You may take 3 as it is. Here 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2. Next by 3 it is not possible. Write 3 as it is. Draw a line. Next by 2 it is not possible. Let us, you may concentrate. Next prime number, that is 3. 3 how much is 3? 3 1 ja 3. Here 1. Write as it is. This one write as it is. 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3. It has cleared. Next, collect the LCMs. Find the LCM. I'll solve right side of the part. While you're solving the given problem, this part must be below. This is belongs to notes. Okay, Chotu? Observe here, LCM. We need to find out divisible number, which is divisible by the given number is divisible by 6, 8, 12. Observe here, that's why the LCM is very necessary. LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Multiply. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. What is the LCM? 24 is the LCM. Is it our answer? No. We need to find out particular 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number. The HOD it is 2-digit number. By multiplying 24 in any number, which number comes? Let us observe here. We know that we know that 24 into how much? 24 into, yes, I'll take 3. 24 into 3 is how much? 24 into 3. 3 4 ja 12. Right, 2 is here. 1 goes to carry. 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Is it 3-digit number? No. So we are expecting 3-digit smallest number. Let us multiply 24 into, it is not. Okay. It is not. Next, 24 into 4. 4 4 ja 16. Right, 6 is here. 1 goes to carry. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. Oh my god. Once again we got 2-digit number. It is also not, because we are expecting 3-digit smallest number. Yes, let us multiply 24 into 5 ja. Sir, how do we concentrate 3, 4, 5? Just remember, take any number and multiply. Okay. 24 into 5 ja. Yes, 5 4 ja 20. Right, 0 is here. 2 goes to carry. 5 2 ja 10. 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. Yes, we got 3-digit number. It is the smallest number. Okay. 3-digit smallest number. So 100. What is the special about 120? 120. It is this particular number is divided by 6, divided by 8, divided by 12. Okay, Chotu? Yes. Let us complete the final statement, complete the problem through the final statement. Therefore, 120 is the smallest digit. 120 is the smallest 3-digit number. 120 is the smallest 3-digit number, which is exactly divisible by, exactly divisible by 6, 8 and also 1. So this is the answer. Okay. This is what today's class. We have discussed about question number 3rd and also question number 4th. Solve these problems 4 and 3rd problem. Solve in your notebook as well as practice in your rough notebook. So I will meet you in the next video with continuous problem exercise 3.7. Until have a nice day. Thank you.